Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce, and in today's video we're gonna talk about a question that you have been asking me a lot about how you can delete someone or how can you remove someone from your Facebook group. And this is kind of a clarification video because there have been lots of questions about this. I recently made a video specifically letting you know how you can delete someone from your Facebook group. But you gotta remember that not all the Facebook groups are the same. Facebook has different settings for the type of groups and also for different countries. The settings that I'm telling you that I have in the groups that I have are pretty similar to the ones that you may have, but not exactly the same. So you can either have the delete option or the block option, or you might have both. So you can delete someone from your Facebook group by either one, either delete option or blocking option. And even Facebook recommends you that if you are going to either delete or remove someone from your group, you should also block this person from your group, so that way they don't keep asking or requesting to be part of your group again and again. So I'm gonna show you the options that I have. Both of them can work perfectly for your case when you want to remove someone from your Facebook group. Okay, so for example right now I'm going to my Facebook and then I go and look for the group that I want to delete somebody from, and I go to, let's say, successful YouTubers. Then I go and look for the members. I have these members right here and I just want to remove from this group a member. As you can see, I have different options. I have suspend in group, remove member, and I also have block from group. These are the options that I have on this specific Facebook group. And you can either block or remove member, and those will work almost the same. The difference is that when you remove a member, this member can still ask for access to your Facebook group again at a later time. Let's go to a different group, this one. This is the most recent group that I have created. If I go to members, let's say I want to delete this person from here, I have these options as well: block from group, remove member, and suspend in group. Let's do a test. If I want to go ahead and remove someone from this other group, and I'm gonna go and remove this person. If I remove member, it will pop up this message to either cancel or confirm that I want to remove this member, and then it says also delete recent activity, and it has other two options. It has block this member, and when you check this option, it also comes up block this member's future profiles. If this person creates new Facebook profiles and tries to access to your group again, this person won't be able to find your group anymore. If you want to completely avoid this person from this group, this is what you have to do, okay? Then you click on confirm whenever you are sure that you really want to remove this person. Let's see what are the other options. If I want to suspend in group, you can suspend a member from posting on your group for 12 hours, 24 hours, 3 days, 7 days, and up to 28 days. This is the other option to suspend a member. You can select the time frame that you want to suspend this member, and then you click on suspend button, or you just click on cancel. What happens if you block from the group? When you click on block, you will have the two options that you had before when you clicked on remove a member. You have delete recent activity and also block these members' future profiles. Okay, these are the two options that you have when you block a member. As you can see, both options, either remove a member or block a member, are pretty similar. The difference are not much, and whenever you want to unblock somebody, you can also do that. Let me just show you. If I decide to block this member, let's say, I just will keep her posts, comments, and story, and then I will just click on confirm. If I go to the top of this section of members, you will see how many persons you have blocked from your group. And you can also click on the unblock button right here, so you don't block this person anymore. So you just unblock her. And if somebody is part of several of your groups, then this message will pop up. You click on this three-dot button right here and click on block from group, and then you click on next. When you click on next, you will see other groups you managed, and you can apply the same changes here by just tapping on this button, and you can click on confirm button, and you can apply the changes to both of your groups in just one step. Okay? If you have any other questions, please let me know in the comments down below, and remember that I usually reply to all your comments and questions within 24 hours. So I hope this video was useful for you, and if it was, please don't forget to click on that like button and on that subscribe button down below, so I can bring you more content like this and make more Facebook tutorials just like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.